So we had a high ground level here, block vents to the subfloor. So I'm just opening some ventilation low in the ground on the inside. Some of the joists are rotten, so just taking them up, floorboards. So I've got air circulating in here now, as you can see there. And there's another one in there. I've had to take off the plaster, was damp there, so I've just put a coat, scratch coat of lime on there, head lime. And yeah, a few bits and pieces what I'll go on here. Mostly replace the timber, airflow's in here, and then replastering the walls.